Hi, I'm Ashley, and today we're going to learn the sounds of the next 5 consonant letters. Are you ready? Let's go! Remember, consonants are the speech sounds that are not vowels. Here you can see all the consonants of the alphabet. And remember, just like vowels, consonants have different sounds. Today, we're going to learn the second 5 consonants, H, J, K, L, and M. Let's take a closer look at each one to learn the sounds these consonants make. This is the letter H. H makes the sound, like in hat or horse. Say it with me. Great job. This is the letter J. J makes the J sound, like in jam or jars. What sound? J. Perfect. This is the letter K. K makes the K sound, like in kangaroo or kite. What sound? K. Good job. This is the letter L. L makes the L sound, like in leaf or lion. Say the sound with me. L. This is the letter M. M makes the M sound, like in milk or mouse. What sound? M. Perfect. And congratulations again! You just learned the next 5 consonants and their sounds. Go tell someone what consonants you learned today, and then be sure to practice what you learned with our online games and quizzes. And remember to always be clever.
Hey, hey!